Hello, sharks, and welcome to the future
Welcome to the world
of interchangeable parts. Now, you may have heard of our boss,
Eli Whitney.
Yeah, pretty big name as of late, inventor of the cotton gin.
Revolutionized agricultural industry in the United States.
Yeah, and behind that revolution is an equally revolutionary, entirely new system of manufacturing and repairing.
This is where interchangeable parts comes in, a revolutionary new way of manufacturing and designing and mass producing products in which every piece of a product or a machine is developed individually before it's being assembled.
And all these pieces are made to be identical, which allows for easy cross-repair, as well as establishing a higher standard of the products in general.
As you can see from these diagrams, interchangeable parts breaks down a product into its most basic bits and pieces.
Now, these small pieces can be swapped out with other pieces that are identical when a repair is needed.
Now we know what you're thinking. How are we supposed to make a bunch of money off of selling a bunch of bits and pieces? No, hold on. We're not selling you a bunch of bits and pieces. What we're selling is a whole new system.
A whole new system of manufacturing and repairing the products that you love today. If we make products with interchangeable parts rather than, the typical handmade parts that are used today in factories, it will create a new material-efficient way of creating things such as rifles or Mr. Whitney's own cotton gin, for example.
That's right.
It will pretty much help all industry in America as we know it.
Of course, and while we don't have exact numbers, we can assure you that by using interchangeable parts, manufacturing and repair costs will be cut in half.
Yeah, in half.
In half, sharks.
In half, sharks. That's a lot of money in your shark pockets. Since the creation of these products will be made so much more efficient by these interchangeable parts, the price of all of these products will lower. So the manufacturer will be able to make more products, the consumer will be able to buy more products, and investors, such as yourselves, sharks, will be able to make so much more money. We'll be pretty much creating a new economic cycle that benefits the consumer, the manufacturer, and the businessman.
So, sharks, as I'm sure you could imagine, using interchangeable parts only comes with benefits. Rifles for the armies can be made more consistently and with higher quality. Crops from agriculture can be harvested more efficiently through interchangeable parts since its repairs are much quicker. And America's industry in general would become very strong, dare I say, the most powerful in the world.
In the entire world. Years down the road, America is going to be looking nice. So, sharks, are you ready to change the world with interchangeable parts?
Yes!